Hello and welcome to a tutorial from Imagine Landscapes Knits for 2/1 Left Purl Cross. I will show you first with a cable needle and then without. We've worked our way up to the 3 stitches involved. It's 2 stitches, knit stitches and a purl in this case. We want to slide both of the knit stitches onto a cable needle. So that's what I'm doing now, and we let it hang to the front. We purl one from the main needle, and now we knit the 2 stitches from the cable needle. And now those 2 stitches are leaning to the left. Let's do it now without a cable needle. So I work over. So I need to go to the back, scoop the 3rd stitch, the purl stitch, with my right needle tip from the back, pinch all 3 stitches between my finger and my thumb, pull the left needle tip out, and they're pinched so they're okay. So then we scoop up these 2 stitches that we left dangling there. Then we place this back on the left, and then we purl 1 and knit 2. And now we've switched cable of stitches so that everything's leaning to the left. I hope this helps. Happy knitting.